Hello everybody, this is Lauren from Pagefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the perfect Shopify thank you page. So, the first step to doing this is to enable test mode on your store. Doing this means that you can place a test order, which is the only way to see your customized thank you page. To enable test mode, simply navigate to the Shopify dashboard. Then, click on Settings, followed by Payments. Come to Third-Party Providers, and click on Choose Third-Party Provider. Click here, where it says Bogus Gateway. You'll see here a list of codes that you can use in place of credit card information, to submit a test order. We'll come back to these codes later. For now, simply scroll down and click on this button to activate Bogus Gateway. I've activated this feature already, so my button is labeled Reactivate Bogus Gateway. When you activate it for the first time, you will need to enable currency. Simply choose the currency or currencies your store uses from this list, and click on Add Currency. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and hit Save. Okay, so the next step is to download the Reconvert app. Reconvert is a Shopify app that helps you to build the perfect Shopify thank you page. It has a library of elements that are geared towards thank you pages, and there's the option for you to add custom code to create more. It's free to use if your store receives less than 50 orders per month, and there's also a free trial of its paid plan available for 30 days. Once you've installed the app onto your store, open it, head through the initial welcome message, and click on Approve Subscription. Finally, click on Enable Reconvert, and you're free to start building your thank you page. Scrolling down, you can either create a new template or use the default template. Below that, there are your metrics, including revenue, orders, conversion rate, bounce rate, etc. I'm going to go with the default template, so I'll click on this Customize button. When the editor loads, the first thing I'm going to do is head to General Settings in the left-hand menu, click on Order Tracking, then select Enable Order Tracking. You can change the name of the tracking button, which, when clicked, will link to 17 Track, where your customer can see what stage their order is at. If you want to add any new sections to your page, you can do that by clicking on Sections in the left side menu. You can see that Reconvert's pages are split into header, left area, and right area. I'm going to add a new section to my left area. You can choose the element you want to add from this list. I'll go for a product upsell. Here you can let the system choose the most relevant product to recommend on your thank you page, or you can choose a specific product yourself. I'll choose a specific product. Next, I'll add the title of the product and change the alignment of its text. You can choose to add the product description, as well as whether to have the standard product image from your store, or select a custom one. Adding star reviews with this feature is a great way to get social proof onto your page. Another great thing to do with this is to offer a discount deal for the next purchase. You can choose the discount and the name of both the deal and the shipping policy. Scroll to the bottom, and you can change the text and style of the buying button. Heading back to the element library, I'll add a video that thanks customers for their purchase. You can change the title, and put the ID of the video in here. Lastly, I'll stick in some social media links so that my customers can easily navigate to my store's social channels. Simply stick the links to your social channels in these boxes, and add more if you want. Finally, once you're happy with everything, you can click Save in the top right corner. Okay, so lastly, once you're done creating your thank you page, you need to test it out. For this, you need to come to your Shopify store, select an item, and proceed to the checkout. Fill out any information in the required fields of the checkout. The information doesn't have to be real, as you won't actually be purchasing anything. Click on Continue to Shipping. Afterwards, click on Continue to Payment. This is where we need those codes from the bogus gateway we looked at earlier. As you can see, the first thing we need to do is enter the words bogus gateway in the name on card field. For the credit card number, you can enter either 1, 2 or 3, depending on which scenario you want to simulate. If you're looking for your thank you page, then enter 1 for a successful transaction. The expiry date can be any date in the future. The CVV code can be any 3-digit number. Once you're done filling in these 4 fields, click Pay Now. Here you can see your finished thank you page. This is exactly what your customers will see once they complete a purchase from your store. Scroll down and make sure that all of the elements are to your liking. And there you have it, your thank you page is finished and working great. Thanks for checking out this video from Pagefly. Take care, and we'll see you soon.